Some important general knowledge. National Inland Navigation Institution is located in Bihar, established in 2004. Korur app to track the migrant for COVID test and quarantine launched by Bihar government. Sahitya Academy 2021 award in English literacy awarded to Namita Gokhale for Things to Leave Behind, and Hindi Daya Prakash Sinha and Bengali Batra Basu. Purpose of Samudra Setu operation to repatriate Indian citizens from overseas and coronavirus pandemic. Vande Bharat mission main purpose to bring Indian national stranded abroad due to the coronavirus lockdown. Upanishad has been called the secret of death. Katha Upanishad also tell about the meaning of life. The SI unit of weight is Newton. The most destructive seismic wave is surface or long period waves L. The term capital gains tax means tax on profit from the sales of a capital asset during a year. In November 2021, became the first female Prime Minister of Sweden, Magdalena Andersson, and first transgender university in India will be opened in Kushinagar district in UP. Thank you.